As cannabis markets around the world emerge and become more sophisticated, producers are seeking economies of scale and automated solutions to grow and stay cost competitive. Traditionally, the post-harvest phase of cannabis processing has been very labor-intensive and difficult to scale. Thanks to revolutionary advances being made on this front, producers now have options available to automate their cannabis processing operations, maximizing both efficiency and quality. Hi everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of Mobius's automated processing line, cutting-edge equipment that's delivering bottom-line results for cannabis manufacturing operations around the world. Every production facility, whether it's a purpose-built indoor cannabis grow or a large outdoor agricultural operation, has different space availability and workflow dynamics. The Mobius line accommodates this with modular equipment that can be configured to meet your specific needs. The line we'll be looking at today includes the Mobius MBX bucker, a tandem Mobius M108S trimmer setup with in-feed and out-feed conveyors, the Mobius M9 sorter and auto-feed conveyor, and the Mobius M210 mill. The Mobius MBX bucker is the first step in the processing workflow. Buckers remove flowers and leaves from the stalk in preparation for the next step, which is trimming. The Mobius MBX not only performs the core function of separating flowers from the stalk, but it's unique in that it features an onboard stem chipper to minimize waste volume and comply with cannabis waste disposal requirements. This makes a direct contribution to your bottom line, both by eliminating the need to have staff constantly juggling unwieldy bags of cannabis stalks, and by reducing your waste storage and disposal costs. After bucking, the next step of the post-harvest process is trimming, which separates the high-value flowers from the lower-value leaves. This automation line features the Mobius M108S trimmer in a tandem configuration with an in-feed conveyor to facilitate swift and consistent loading of untrimmed plant material, and an out-feed conveyor to enable quality control functions on the trimmed flowers. This setup can trim up to 140 pounds per hour of dry material and up to 260 pounds per hour of wet material with minimal staff requirements. Assign one person to the in-feed, a couple of people to the QC belt, and perhaps a runner to ensure that the line never runs out of totes or material to trim, and you have a beast that delivers commercial scale throughputs with a fraction of the staff that would be required without automation. Automating with the Mobius tandem trim line also has the advantages of being easy to clean and maintain. Unlike other commercial scale trimming systems that consume your entire processing space and are impossible to properly clean, all of the components of the Mobius system can be easily broken down, cleaned, and moved as necessary. This gives you maximum flexibility and a solution that you can scale up incrementally as your operations and success grow. Once the flowers come off the trim line, they're automatically delivered to the Mobius M9 sorter for size grading via the auto-feed conveyor. Unlike manual sorting, the flexible rotating belts of the M9 work hands-free to gently move buds through the sort without compromising trichome counts. The M9 sorter offers unlimited sorting size options thanks to adjustable and removable sorting partitions, and can be configured to left or right orientations to accommodate different workflows. And here's the best part of all. When the M9 is paired with the auto-feed conveyor, as you see here, there are no staff required. Compare this with the amount of time and resources it would take to sort each of your harvests manually, and it's easy to see how the Mobius M9 will improve your bottom line. While much of the trimmed and sorted flower moves on to packaging at this point, some producers have additional processing steps if they're manufacturing pre-rolls or extract products. This is where the Mobius M210 mill comes in. The M210 is a continuous throughput mill and the only machine on the market designed from the bottom up specifically for grinding cannabis. This rotor-style mill produces an incredibly consistent grind with minimal fines, starting from either dry flower or trimmings. One of the secrets behind the top quality output of the M210 is the relatively low rotor speed paired with the large milling drum. This combination generates huge throughputs but no heat, which ensures that the integrity of your product remains fully intact and ready to fetch you top dollar from whatever your end product is. The Mobius automated processing line has been designed as an integrated system for commercial scale use. The entire line can be operated on a continuous basis with as few as a half dozen staff, enabling you to get your product to market swiftly and with a minimum of headaches. Each component of the Mobius processing line we've looked at today is modular and mobile, allowing users to readily move their processing operations from one room or location to another with ease, or to set up in different configurations to accommodate changing workflows. The full line is GMP ready and designed to meet health and safety regulatory requirements. Automating your processing operations with Mobius equipment will help you to plan and execute your harvest more efficiently and to shorten the harvest to sales cycle overall. This puts you in a position to deliver high-quality products consistently and at scale, which will ultimately accelerate the profitability and viability of your business. To learn more about how Mobius equipment can take your cannabis processing operations to the next level, please visit us at mobiustrimmer.com.